So they're currently imperative, and being able to declare, that's what it is, declarative. Being able to declare it in this way will really make, then you don't, it just defines that for the entire life of the app. And so you don't have to keep coming back and resetting it to that or anything like that. You just say, this is what that variable equals for this app. And so I'm excited for simple things like that, just improvements for the on-start kind of thing. The app on-start was the first, and these other things will be great.
It's not only for variables, it's going to be for collections also, which is a really big thing.
Oh, wow. That's definitely very powerful, actually.
If you go to the advanced find, you search for processes where category equals modern flow.
Yeah.
And that'll give you a list of your flows. And you can just select all, or select whatever ones you like, and click the assign processes button on the top.
That's really useful, actually. Yeah.
I was exploring using like PowerShell to do it, but
we looked at all sorts of different messy ways of doing it, and ended up going into the flows one at a time.
Yeah, well, this is
adding an owner, and it's just a whole hassle.
This way is really easy.
Yeah, certainly give that a bash.
And Liam, does that actually change the owner? Because in the flow, you typically can't actually change the owner. You can just add owners, right?
It adds the owner. Well, the record is still owned by a user.
I actually like the undo button in Power Automate.
Yes, it's going to be like the author was saying, a really big deal. Yeah, what I did notice with it that's one to watch out for is if you save the flow and leave the form and then come back, it won't remember what the previous step is. So it's only in the context of that session. It's one to watch out for, but even at that, it's still very, very useful. You put something silly in, or you can't remember what you've taken out, undo, check it over, redo, good jobs are good. Create an out-of-the-box appointment and selecting just through a yes, no toggle that it's an online meeting, and it'll create that as a Teams meeting, and as we're used to, that'll sync with your calendar and Outlook if you've got the Outlook 365 app enabled and so on. So what about everyone else? What are you most looking forward to?
I'll go next, Stuart. So I'm looking forward to Teams for sure, but also a voice channel for customer service, which I think is GA now, kind of. But I'm really looking forward to seeing that. We're doing a big so kind of Teams telephony deployment coupled with Dynamics 365 here. So using a voice channel with Dynamics to see live sentiment and do all that warboarding that you see on inbound telephony is going to be really, really beneficial to us.
The Teams integration that Liam was talking about sounds really cool. Looking forward to that. Also, I think one of the previous participants has left now. Maybe David, was it? He was talking about the telephony integration. There's a couple of use cases for a client that that could be really interesting.